Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing a braid free crochet style. Yes, I said braid free. And as you can see, I put my hair in a back ponytail, and I'm going to use the Tress fluffy spring twist. They're a handmade braid and they're 18 inches. And yes, they're crochet, and it's from the Tress collection from Janet collection. So I'm going to put a little lip gloss on because my lips were dry. So you're going to need a crochet needle, and you're going to take one of the fluffy spring twists, and I'm going to turn around. I'm going to show you what I need to do. You're going to close that crochet needle, and I'm just going to get everything ready. Close the crochet needle, open it up, and then take the fluffy spring twist, and at the end there is it's a looped. It's easy and quick crochet styling. You attach that loop onto the crochet needle, pull it through, open that loop back up, and knot it. And it's easy. Sometimes you have to do it 2 or 3 times, loop it, but with this hair, you only need to do it 1 time. And then I'm going to show you again. And you want to make sure when you pull that latch through that it's closed, because you don't want to cause damage. Okay, so let me talk about my hair. Okay, I did my ponytail super loose because you don't want to cause damage to your hair anyway. But I will tell you that ponytail is too big, so I had to go back and adjust it. So when you're doing your ponytail, make sure you leave the front and the back loose so it's easy to apply the crochet needle and the twist inside, and you won't cause any tension or breakage. But when it comes to the ponytail, go back and make sure it is as small as possible. You see how fluffy mine is, how big it is? That's not right. Go back. I readjusted it and I made it a lot smaller because you wanted your hair, the finished style, to be seamless. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and kind of stagger the twists between each other. I'm not going to pack them in. They are going to cover each other up, so you're going to kind of do the stagger method. Now, as you can see, I do have nails on. That's why I chose to do this braidless crochet style, because when I have nails, I don't want to braid anything. My braids are kind of looser. It's just too much. So I said, okay, I thought about how can I make this easier for me. Braidless crochet. So I thought about, I'm like, okay, I really think this was a good idea, but you just need to make sure that your hair is prepped. I put all my oils and all my cream in my hair, so if this does try to snag on my hair itself, that it would not break. It would be oiled and moisturized enough that it won't cause any breakage, and that is what I'm concerned about. So I'm going to the front, kind of to the side, and I'm just doing everything the same. I just wanted to give you guys different angles. Even have the antivirus. Let me show you on the package so you know it's real. The antivirus, so it has like a special processing to kill a virus or whatever they do, which I think is great, and people need to be reassured that these companies are doing that. Okay, so I'm sliding the latch underneath my hair and loop the even fold hair onto the hook. That's what I'm doing right here. So I'm opening it up, and then I'm going to close the latch and slide the hair back underneath my hair, just like you would do with a braid. But that's not a braid, it's just my hair. Take 2 fingers, that's what I'm doing. It's hard with these nails, to open the loop and feed the hair, the end of the hair, through the hole. And then that's when I looped it. And I'm just going to do it again. And if you like this style but you don't really know how to do it, you can watch this tutorial. But also, the package on this Tress it does give you step-by-step directions. It's like 7 directions. They're small and straight to the point, so you don't have to feel overwhelmed reading whatever is on here. But just a little tip. Okay, so I'm almost finished. I just have that front to do, and I want to say about 15 pieces come in each pack. So I think I have about 1 pack left, and I'm just going to finish and fill in areas there. And I did do like a side part because I want that bang look, the bang look, but a long bang. And I'm just going to repeat the process every time to fill it in. And I was kind of more careful in the front because, you know, if your hair falls out, you don't want it to fall out in the front. Not saying that your hair will fall out with this style or these fluffy twists. No, just because with everything you do, every hairstyle you do, you're always more careful around the edges. That's why I did not put any crochet on my back edges, my side edges, on my front edges, because y'all know from the beginning I don't play about my edges. Okay, now that I'm all done, I think I used about 6 packs, 5 or 6. I didn't put any on my edges, like I said, my back edges, but I do have art, and I do like that contrast, the dark roots and the light hair. But I like everything. If you want to fill it in, if you like it like that, it's all up to you. It's at your own discretion. It's your hairstyle. But if you do like that Tyler Perry movie wig look, you can move everything around. Just make the hairstyle yours. You know, that's what I did. But I thank you guys for watching. Now we'll have everything down in the description box below. I like it. I'm going to keep it in for a couple weeks. And then if you want to put it up in a ponytail, I'm not going to put mine in a ponytail because, like I said, I didn't put it around the edges. But I thank you guys for watching.